Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm out here on the little TTR 90 pitter, and we're back at Mark's house working on the track. So there has been some progress made. We got one rhythm section done. We're working on the second. The big finish line double's looking a little better. If you guys are confused what I'm talking about, make sure you watch the first track building video. But basically, we're building a track at my buddy Mark's house, and it's gonna be more of like an arena cross style. So Mark's on the dozer right now, and Ian's on the loader. I'll get some clips, and then I'll walk you guys through what we're doing. Dirt looks super mint right now. Ian's picking it up and bringing it down there to add to the track. As you can see, Mark's shaping up one of the rhythm sections right now. Here's a little overview. If you guys look back here, how cleared out Mark's woods are. So basically he has 80 acres and he had it logged. So the long-term goal is to build a huge motocross track down here in the woods. But for now, we're working with what we got and building the arena cross style track. The real issue with building the motocross track in the woods is, one, the ground around here is super rocky, so we need dirt, and two, we need a bigger dozer to push those rocks out of the way and push the stumps out of the way. So it's tough, but one thing at a time, better than what I got. I have no land, so this is very cool. Shout out to Mark, as always. I'll put his Instagram in the bio, or in the description. Go ahead.
So it looks weird right now because I want this side to have a lip where you can hop off, but on this side you're not going to be hopping on. You're going to be just coming up and probably just hopping this table and landing there. So I want,
and then either doubling or tripling out.
So you can either double over there or table this and then triple out, or double single out. But on this side we have that higher lip over here, so we're going to hop up onto this table, and then that's why I have this dirt right here. I'm going to make a lip so you can hop off and then double out.
Yeah. So it's hard to see on camera, guys. So this is a little higher, so you'll be able to jump onto the table, and then there's going to be a little lip here so you can jump off the table to that first little roller and then double into the corner, go here to there. And then on the inside you just roll this, you'll jump the table, and then either triple out if you have enough speed or double single. Alright guys, so I'm on the other side now, so maybe this is just a better view. So there's the table, and here's the three rollers slash singles, whatever you want to call them. So if you're coming this way on the left side, you jump off the table to that first roller, and then you double into here and go around the corner. But if you come on the right side, you jump the table, and then you'd either double or triple all the way to here. Whatever would work best. And then Ian's adding dirt, so after you go around this corner, there's gonna be a rhythm section there, another bowl turn going left, a whoop section, then you hit that bowl turn and you hit the finish line double. I know I talked a lot about this in the last video, but I'm just trying to paint the picture in your guys' head. It's a lot of work. I'll try and get some clips of me on the pitter hitting this now. Alright guys, we got the big bucket loader out here, dozer, and the little bucket loader going, all three machines, adding dirt to the landing of the finish line double. It's coming out mint. Got the pitter. Shaping up the outside so you can jump on the table. Shaping up the landing. Got a lot of dirt on there now. It does, guys. Like I said earlier, one of the issues is we don't have a lot of dirt, but me and Ian found a nice little some mint dirt here, so we're digging it up. Yeah. So this is the dirt me and Ian were scooping. So nice. Looks like peanut butter. For the little double here. So Mark's got to shape it up still. Here's the rhythm section we were working on earlier. It's looking pretty good. Still needs to be shaped up a little bit. And then Mark started working on the corner. That last video got cut off because my memory card is full. My storage. So I'm gonna end the video here quickly. Finish line. The landing is looking a little bit better. Added a bunch of dirt. So then you're gonna come around here. Started building that berm. You hit this rhythm section. And then we're gonna start building this rhythm section. So I'm gonna end the video off here. Sorry there was no riding videos this week. It's about to snow tomorrow, so I don't think we're gonna get out to ride. But let me know what you guys thought of this video down in the comments below. Smash that like button and subscribe if you're new around here. Because there's a lot more videos to come from here in riding videos very soon. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Deuces.